Yo, it's 4JZ guys, we're back with another video. And yes, we're modifying the car. Oh, hey, I forgot to mention I'm in the boot, because obviously I'm keeping my little modifications safe in here. As you can see, we're modifying this bad boy right here. I don't know why there's someone behind me getting in the car, but now I feel clustered, claustrophobic. And what we're going to do is, what are we doing today? Putting on this spoiler. Yes, so let's get to that. This is how the car is looking before we do anything today. As you can see, we're going to be putting a front spoiler lip, and that's going to change that hopefully. Side skirt, that's going to change that. And bowl, which will make the lights look different. We'll have something here for this bad boy. And okay, and today the first thing we're doing is this bomber clot, blood clot wing. Yes, wow. And no, I'm not referring to the wings that you have on the back of you if you're a gym lad, or these wings. So yeah, this is the wing that we're putting on today. So it's going to transform from looking like this to this. Wow. Look at that. Let me show you the process of this beauty. I'm obviously drying this because it's been raining for a bit. I'm going to dry this up and then put the silicone and the 3M, and then boom, it will look amazing. Yes. So yeah, here's another angle for you guys how it looks from behind. Boom. If I move further away, wow, it's just drastically changed the car, I'd say. Alright, that was the rear spoiler done. We're on modification 2 now, guys. So obviously we've all got these yellow lights on the front that we all love so much. Hopefully I'm gonna get my cousin right here to flash the lights for us so you can see how yellow they are. Look at that, how ugly, right? So next clip, boom. This is how you modify where the bulbs are, to change the bulbs from a yellow light to the white light. Inside here is 2 different bulbs, 3, I think there's 3 in here, but we've got, if I show you closely, we've got the main one, which is this one. If you can turn it, you turn it a bit to the left or the right, and it clicks out, boom, and that's it. Then you just have to take off this top part here. This is why you have to wear gloves, so you don't have it explode and ruin when you put the new one on, because the germs and the bacteria will make it explode literally in your hand. So that bulb was for that one there, and then we've got another bulb at the back, which is just behind, in front of the wheel. There's this patch part here, which I'll show you in this clip on how to get there. First you got to turn the wheel, right? So now we've turned the wheel. It can be in, or it has to be in for this side, or out, I guess on the other side, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to try to show you here, and there we go. So it's just put your hands there, flick it down, and it comes off. The cover should just come off really simply. And wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. or if you use a screwdriver or something, you can easily put it in here and then boom, it'll come out easily, but shouldn't need to. These are all fidgety old cars, so it's all fun to always work on. And boom, we got it out just like that. It just takes a bit of fiddling and you get there basically. You just might have to rip it out a bit, but it should be fine. And just like that. And this is where you'll find the other bulb, really. So the dipped daytime running light bulb is at the top, and this one's the main, I think, the beams. Beam, what's the beam? And then you take off the cover for that bulb part and you put your hand right through here. As you can see, hopefully it's clear enough. Put your hand there, take out the bulb, and you got some white lights, which I'll show you right now. Alright, next thing we're doing is debadging this. And what you need is a heat gun, some floss, and a buffing drill once that's off. So plug it in, go there. Just a little bit of this, and then to this. Wow, big difference. You can see, can't even see nothing now. Oh, actually doesn't. Oh, it does. Badging, and boom. Wow, so yeah, very clean as very possible, just as I said, with this thing at the end and wiping it down. Easy peasy. You can even have a close-up, guys. Maybe even tap the screen so you can see. Beautiful. It's like it was never there in the first place. So yeah, now we've done that. Rear spoiler, rear debadge. We're gonna thank you for watching. I forgot to mention the lights we did as well. Thank you for watching so much. Subscribe, like if you enjoyed the video, and look out for my next video. Yeah.